Welcome back, guys. Hopefully this is recording me and not picking up too much background noise, but anyhow, this should just be a quick one. Not even worrying about the background sound so much. I added some particle systems, and they're set to emit incredibly slow and have really slow timings on them, but they do have a bit of timing. You can see they have some big ones flicking in and out of existence. I'm going to work on that. I'm probably going to make a little script that makes them fire and then just stay. But those particles, those UI elements won't render in front of the planet. That's funny. The particles are moving and have a little bit of randomness to them and stuff, but I'm hoping they work like volumetrics. So let's just run this and see how it looks. Okay, so here we are. We're on this little fella here, and we've got him juiced up. He can move around now. Now, there's purple nebula here, and I know it's probably not going to show up well on the screen until I fly into it. I just flew in and through it. I don't know, let's strafe a bit here. Don't know if you can see that nebula moving there. I hope it's recording it for the sake of YouTube. It might be getting clipped out as being too close to the screen colors. Let's just fly in here through it. Okay. Then up here is a blue-green kind of nebula. We're in it here right now. I just flew into it. So yeah. And then over there, I've got to watch the clipping extent on these, but this is kind of a yellowy thing that turns in kind of like a mustardy green kind of look. But yeah, there we go. We have our sort of fake or quasi-volumetrics here. And I'm hoping that it's going to do what I need. That's some kind of soft ones there. Because I'm using additive. Oh, good. We're a fair ways away. We can actually see them. There's the purple, the large, really large purple one. Small green one. And also a very large sort of yellow one here. And you can see some of the smaller particles that are broken out when you do the large ones. But when I repaint that texture, you won't see those parts so much there. But I'm going to repaint that texture, and it will be a little bit better. But right now, I can tell just from how it's behaving, it's working pretty good. Seems to be alright. Let's make a quick pass through the purple one here. Actually, if I fly over here, hit the brakes. Yeah, space brakes. Okay, Nebula is there. Geez, it's actually fairly good size. It's going to take a bit of juice to get up to where it is. Okay, so there's a nebula, and looks like that planet refuses to render. Oh no, it is rendering on top of the planet. It's additive, so it can't add over the bright parts of the planet. I can try different blend modes later, but additive seems to be working, but it has a rough time going on top of the bright parts of the planets. But yeah, that's probably how the nebulas are going to look. But I'll be fixing up the base texture, because essentially it's just a sprite resized and pasted a bunch of times. You can kind of see it on the edges of the screen there, the copies, and it's just pasted at random rotations in different sizes. Something else that was changed, or for some of you might have it, but not. Let's get out here. This fighter here is also in the system, but it has the physics turned on. So if I bang into it, and then I stop, so I'm at a dead stop. I'm not moving. I whacked it. So there's a little fire flying away. Let's see if we can catch up to him. Here he is, just floating away. My dead stop. See if I can speed match him here. So there we go. Anyhow, well, that's what was done. Nebulas. Well, now you have something large and sort of colorful that you can fly to. When I can get the larger nebulas, you'll be able to use them as kind of ways of knowing where you are in your little bubble of space. But that's it. Anyhow, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.